How to solve the TikTok shop not working. Someday when you open your TikTok account and you want to do shopping on your TikTok, you want to see, and you remember that you don't see the option of TikTok shop. Then how do you solve it? Hello everyone, it's me Smile, here to guide you through the way. So to know how to solve this problem, watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure that you have installed the current version of TikTok on your device. If you have already done so, then open your TikTok. And now you don't see the option of online shop. I also don't have the option of online shop anywhere in my account. So now, how do I solve it? To solve it, what I can simply do is, on the top right side, you will see 3 vertical lines here. When I tap on this, a pop-up will come here, and just tap on settings and privacy from here. Tapping on the settings and privacy, again, many options will be available. Scroll down up until you see the option of report a problem. After tapping on the option of report the problem, again, new pop-up with many things will be shown. Just say everything truly. You might find the option of TikTok shop here as well. But in the case you don't find the option here as well, then what can you do? You can see the option of account recovery, security alerts, and many other things here. But no option of TikTok shop. So how do you do that? So for that, you can simply report and give a feedback, write your problem and send to the TikTok, and the feedback will be given to you within 48 hours. But if you are still confused, then you can chat with TikTok right here in the TikTok help desk. Chatting with TikTok will also help you a lot to know what happened and how you can solve a certain problem, whether it is about your TikTok shop or any other problem. So you can see there is a search bar on the down side. Just tap on the search bar and write a message or write a problem that you want to ask here. So what's our problem? I will simply write here TikTok shop not showing and send it in the TikTok help desk. Now it will immediately give you a reply. It says that, hi, TikTok shop is currently unavailable in your region. So that does mean that it cannot be helped. Someday you might be thinking why it is not working. So problems like this, TikTok shop is not available in your region, might also be the problem. So yeah, you can also consider TikTok help desk as an option. If not, then you can simply report your problem and send it on TikTok, and it will send you a feedback and take an action within 48 hours. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. For any suggestions or comments, to comment on the comment section. That's all for today. See you on the next one.